Today, we're going to be exploring some great natural Australian ingredients, and we're also learning about how the land provides these ingredients for us for a simple cooking experience.
Yeah.
Thank you.
And another one here.
Oh, thank you. I think it's time I take my shoes off to get them wet in our beautiful water today. Who wants to help me cook? Yeah? Yeah? All right, come here. Can someone pour some flour in here? Yeah, just get a handful and just sprinkle it in the pot, please. Just put a handful of flour.
What's that?
We're going to do cooking the bread in there. Yep, that's good. Beautiful. This is our damper bread. It's the damper bread you made, remember? Yeah.
What's this guy? Lime.
You made it.
Lime.
Can I get you to sprinkle some on there?
Yeah.
Okay. Sprinkle some.
Can I put it in my mouth?
Okay. Just sprinkle some on the top. Sprinkle some. Yeah. So this is a native Australian seed. It's called Wattleseed. Do you remember what it smells like? Remember what it smells like? It smells like a little bit like chocolate. Yeah. It smells nice.
Oh, yeah.
Smells good. All right, is it ready to go on, do you think? Yep. So cooking damper, it's always good to have coals on the top so it bakes evenly. And that should take about 20 minutes. We're going to make some kangaroo. Have you ever eaten kangaroo? You haven't? Oh, okay. Kangaroo. Has anybody tried kangaroo before?
No.
Cooked on a fire? No?
Oh, it's bloody.
Yeah, a little bit. And look at this. This is a plate I got from a tree. This is going to be our plate today. Yeah. Does someone want to hold our plate? Yeah. You hold it there. Plum sauce.
Why plum sauce?
It's a native plum, and we're going to put that on our meat, and it's going to taste beautiful.
And it'll be done?
Yep, it'll be done. All right.
It's ready.
Yum. Ready. Is everyone hungry?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yep.
Good job, Dave.
Okay.
Yeah, that's what Chef Dan made. Want to try some hollow? Yeah.
Would you like this one? Yep. Go. Yeah. Kangaroo.
Boing,
Boing. You'll be bouncing now.
Oh my goodness. What is that?
Bread. That's a damper. That's what we made.
Hey, that's a big dog.
Who wants to have some? Yeah.
How honey come
We cooked it in the fire, remember?
and the honey made for us
Yep. It's all for you.
tea
Yep.
for the bee.
Yep.
Ready.
Here we go. What does it taste like?
Good.
Can you tell me what it tastes like?
Honey. The name said it tastes like honey.
Just pull it apart.
Yeah, just pull it off.
What's how we're gonna pull it?
Just pull it like that. Just like that. Yeah, you can do your one.
But does Kelly have some too?
So does this taste like what we made back in our chef's kitchen? No? Okay.
I don't like this.
Don't like it? So has everybody enjoyed today? What did you like the most? The kangaroo or the damper? The damper?
What should we say to Chef Dan for cooking with us today? So thank you, Dan.
Oh, you're very welcome.
And should we say thank you to the Yuga Bear people for taking good care of the land that we use today? So thank you.
Yay! Oh, thank you. Cooking together creates moments of connection, curiosity, and belonging.